Hey everybody, welcome to the Morris Invest YouTube channel. I'm really excited that you're here. What is this channel all about? Well, it's all about helping you create passive income and financial freedom. Now, I'm Clayton Morris. I'm a longtime real estate investor, and a short time ago I actually said bye-bye to my day job. Why? Because of real estate investing. I'd built up enough passive income in my life from my rental properties that I never had to work another day in my life. And honestly, that's what this channel is all about. With so many videos and episodes that walk you through step by step for free how I did it. All the tools are right here on this channel. If you watch all of the videos and you take notes, you can literally go out and do exactly what I did. It's not rocket science. I'm not terribly bright. I can do it. You can do it. So we publish multiple shows multiple times per week. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. We do a live stream right here on the channel as well, where we do a live Q&A and talk back. We've got so many great viewers who watch our channel, and we interact with them to help them push the ball forward on creating passive income. You know, when I quit my job, people said, "How did you do it?" I said, "It's simple. I was on an airplane one day sitting next to a couple. We were flying across the country, and they said, 'How long are you going to be in this town?' And I said, "I can only go for 5 days. I got to go back to work." And I said, "How long are you going to be there?" And they said, "Oh, we're going to be there for 2 months." I said, 2 months? What do you do that you can go someplace like this for 2 months? They said, "Oh, I'm a real estate investor." And I just took notes and notes and notes. And I went out and started buying properties immediately when I got back. And that's exactly what I've never stopped doing. And that's exactly what I teach you to do right here on this channel. So I hope you'll join us. We built a brand new pub. We built a brand new Morris Invest pub. We'd like to gather up, have some beers, and talk real estate investing and help you go out there, become a real estate investor, create passive income in your life, and cash flow. I believe it's the #1 way to build wealth in this world. I'm Clayton Morris. Please subscribe. I look forward to seeing you.